y'all, my name's Jen and this is my buddy Ziggy Stardust. Today we're looking at my 2024 Transit van. It's 148 wheelbase. The reason why I got into van life is because I own a business and I have a physical retail product. And in 2021, I had to launch my product in 9 states along the East Coast. And instead of doing Airbnbs and car rentals, I wanted to have a van that I could call home, that could always have a home for Ziggy, and take my time traveling up the coast and visit all the stores that were selling my product and have fun while I was doing it. All right, so this is a sliding door, and right now we're in the galley of my van. And this is our Dometic CFX, 75 liters it holds, and it holds about a week's worth of food. There's a freezer and refrigerator, and the freezer is cold enough to make ice and keep ice cream cold. And right above my fridge is one of my favorite parts of my van. Since I'm living full-time in the van, I wanted to feel like I'm living in a home. So I have a full-length mirror, and behind the mirror is a toiletry and jewelry armoire cabinet. So here you can put all of your makeup, face care, toothpaste, and then all of your jewelry here. So that way you're not just putting stuff in a drawer and having it all unorganized. It's right here at your fingertips. Another thing I want to mention about my jewelry armoire is that it locks. So if you want to keep any of your jewelry safe and sound, you can just take away the key, and then it also doesn't open while you drive. Hi friends! Right now we're behind my driver's seat in my shower. This shower features a 25-gallon freshwater tank. It also has a hot water heater, so you can have showers any time of the year. And I really like that I had a shower. Even though I don't use it that often, when I do need to, it comes in clutch. It saved me at a few festivals and when the gym was closed. And there's nothing like being able to take a shower in your own home and then walk out and get ready and changed and just be done. You can never have too much storage, and that's why I installed this custom overhead rack, because I'm a hat person and it can store 4 hats and anything else you want to put up there.
I'm Nate Murphy, and I have literally just bought this van to show you how to build a van. We have made a really detailed course which will help you go from this to this. You will learn everything you need. We help you specify your electrical system, and you'll be able to access the community all building their own vans at the same time.
So right now we're in my kitchen. It features a 2-burner propane stove and a sink that is also connected to hot water. I have 2 spice racks and plenty of baskets for you to store fruit and vegetables. And then there's extra counter space here in this pull-out counter. I love to cook, and I did it every day in my van, and it was great to have these storage racks and spice racks to put all my spices. The space in the counter is a little bit tight, but it was either have more counter space or sacrifice my closet, and I didn't really want to do that because the closet is one of the big selling points of the van too. So right across from my kitchen is my massive closet. I am someone who likes to look nice and get dressed up, and I didn't want to sacrifice my style, so I had this custom closet built, and it also features a really big drawer for all your socks and intimates. Are you wondering what I'm sitting on right now? It's my Nature's Head composting toilet. This toilet has saved my life. I used it every day. It holds a gallon of pee, and for me that's about a day and a half's worth of pee, and the composting portion holds about a couple months of number 2. And if you're worried about smell, no need, because it doesn't smell, just as long as you empty out your pee every day. So we're now in the back of my van, which is one of my favorite spots because it's my big, cozy mattress. It's a really high-end 8-inch memory foam mattress. And I don't know about you, but sleep is important. And I don't want to sleep on some janky cushion. I want to sleep on a real mattress. And so I got a king mattress and cut it down to size. And right above the mattress is my swamp cooler. This runs off of battery power, so you don't need a generator to operate it. And over there is my Max Air fan, and together they really cool down the whole space. So if you notice, I'm sitting upright on my bed right now, so there's tons of room for head clearance. I purposely didn't have any drawers here because I wanted space to sit over here and watch my movies, which I project onto that white screen here. And if you want, you can access stuff easily while you're in bed. with these drawers. And I have 2 sets of lights. So we have these galley lights and then the under cabinet lights, and you can choose what level of lighting you like. Do you like storage? Good, because I got you. We have a massive garage under the bed here. On this side, we have 400 amp hours of lithium ion batteries. We have a big compartment here for storage. We have compartments underneath here for things like skis and other gear. Here's the 25-gallon water tank. This is the swamp cooler water tank. Back there is the water heater. And over here is the back view of my Nature's Head composting toilet. Comes in very clutch. Did I mention I have an outdoor shower? Because I have an outdoor shower if you need to wash some shoes or your hands or a cute pup. Hi, Ziggy. All right, we hope you all enjoyed the tour of our van. And you can also reach out to me on social media if you want to chat. I'm on Instagram and Facebook. On Instagram, I'm the Genergy. Hope to see y'all on the road one day. Bye.
Are you thinking of building your own van, but you're worried about how complicated the process is? The bad news is, it is quite complicated. The good news is, we have made a super detailed online course to help you go from this to this. You will learn how to do insulation, carpentry, solar systems, everything you need. We help you specify your electrical system, and you'll be able to access the community all building their own vans at the same time. It's never been easier to learn how to build your own van.